this one on Rice Road. And then...
Not that bad. The one I did take was the border. 30 minutes to take a video? Can you hop up there?
Always first at the finish line. First to the plate when it's dinner time. First to escape when this shit goes down and these motherfucking clowns finna finish mine. Flow too real, hit 'em with a rhythm rhyme. Temps on cause it's cold in the winter time. I'm a boss, yeah, you know that I'm finna shine. Got the money in the bank like it's intertwined.
Clean boat with nothing to clean it with. Yeah, we can go into there. Nice shelter.
Oh, what if the boat starts floating away?
Then we float with it.
Okay.
I was gonna say, hopefully we have pellets. But when I took the covers off, there's a bag of pellets in there.
I'm using my feet.
You gonna get the ball? No. Oh, where's the ball? I'll go get it. I'll go fetch it. That was a slip. Wasn't a stuck. I mean, I was kind of stuck because my butt's a little bit wider than the.
It's like the one guy from TikTok where he tried to order some chicken nuggets and he got mad because he got short of chicken nugget and he tried to jump through the window and
That looks like diarrhea. Did you give him treats today?
No.
I don't think he got